Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between businessman and entrepreneur. A businessman walks on the defined path, but an entrepreneur believes in making his own path, which becomes a guideline for other businessmen. A businessman is a person who runs the business, undertaking an unoriginal business idea. On the contrary, an entrepreneur is someone who first initiates a product or business idea and thus the leader of that in the market. So, let's look into the basic differences between businessman and entrepreneur in a tabular form. Difference number 1. A businessman is someone who sets up a business with an existing idea offering products and services to the customers, whereas an entrepreneur is a person who starts an enterprise with a new idea or concept, undertaking commercial activities. Number 2. The businessman is a market player, while entrepreneur is a market leader because he is the first to start such a kind of enterprise. Number 3. The nature of a businessman is calculative, but an entrepreneur is intuitive. Number 4. A businessman makes his place in the market with his efforts and dedication, whereas an entrepreneur creates the market for his own business. Number 5. Risk factor is less for a businessman, whereas an entrepreneur has comparatively high risk factor. Number 6. A businessman uses traditional methods to run the business. Conversely, an entrepreneur applies unconventional methods for the same. Number 7. A businessman follows holistic approach, whereas an entrepreneur follows atomistic approach. Number 8. A businessman is oriented towards profit. However, an entrepreneur is a people-focused in essence. He gives more importance to its employees, customers, and the public. And difference number 9. The businessman faces extreme competition because it is very difficult to gain a competitive position in an already existing market, which is not in the case of an entrepreneur.